Hi Five and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today for writing you're going to be looking at persuasive techniques and in particular modality words, okay? Modality words are used in persuasive writing to show the reader or the viewer, if you're talking, how certain you are about an issue, and really try to convince them of your belief and what you want to share. So your task is to watch this video first. So modality is used to indicate the degree to which something is certain, possible, or improbable, okay? So we've got high modality is when something is obvious, certain, definite, sure, or complete, okay? So I am certain that, I will be, okay? I'm certain about that. That is going to happen, okay? Then we've got your medium modality word. So medium modality is when something is possible, probable, or likely. It's likely to happen. It may or may not happen though, okay? And then you've got your low modality. So low modality is when something is doubtful, unlikely, probably not going to happen, okay? So we've got some high modality words. So we've got must, is, would, okay? You must help the environment. You must recycle. So that's your high modality words. I will not stand for, people ruining the environment by littering. You have to help us, okay? Can you see how those words are really persuading you to listen to what I have to say? You've got a lot of passion, okay? These words help you with your passion, okay? Then you've got your medium modality. So this would be like, you should probably recycle to help the environment, as it tends to, help sea turtles or something. Often people will recycle, okay? People aren't certainly recycling. People aren't actually doing this. They often do it. Can you see like the kind of change in the tone of, my passion towards persuasive writing is? And then you have might not, may, okay? It might not happen, okay? I'm a bit doubtful that people will recycle. I'm also unsure that people would even listen to my speech right now, okay? So there's a whole bunch of different words. I will also post this up onto OneNote as well. So your task today is to obviously write these words down, okay? Make sure that you've got them, available to you so you can use them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write out the sentences below into your writing book and rank them from most certain to least certain, okay? So you'll probably just write 1, 2, 3. So what you think is the most certain would be 1, and the least certain would be the last number, okay? Then what you're going to do is from your chosen topic, so you might have chosen the topic of should students have to repeat year 5 next year because we've been remote learning, okay? That might be your topic. What you will then do is you will do 2 sentences showing high modality words, okay? So an example we have given you is we must recycle our plastic so we can save the environment from global warming, okay? You see how that's persuading you, okay? And then medium modality. So as humanity, often we can be careless, okay? It doesn't happen all the time, but it doesn't happen. It happens sometimes, okay? We're using often the word. And then we've got sentences that show low modality. We might not win the fight against global warming, but we could try to make a difference. Can you see we're not saying, yes, we need to do it. We're certain, okay? We're using some different words to try and help the reader think about what we're talking about. And again, we're not, experts in this field, experts in what we're saying, but, we're using words to really persuade the reader, okay? give it a go. Again, ask your teachers if you need any help, and hopefully this has helped to explain a little bit of what these words mean and how we can use them in our writing to help persuade our viewers and our readers.